It was raining. Late summer, early evening darkness. The first week that tells you summer is slipping away. It reminds you that winter is destined to be long and cold. I was turning left onto a less lit street. No lamppost near. You were wearing a dark blue hoodie and jeans, enwreathed in shadow. I did not see you until my headlights were sweeping over you, already too close. I slammed at the brakes, swerved just wide of you. As I skidded to a stop, your palms wrapped against my passenger side glass. I rolled down the window and craned my neck, relieved to see you standing upright in the crosswalk. I could barely make out your facial features, but I thought I discerned a crooked smile. "Are you okay?" I shouted, tension and strain evident in my voice. "You owe me a beer at Mully's," you retorted, failing to address my question, but reassuring me a bit. "You're not hurt," I pushed on, seeking to clarify what I imagined to be the most obvious, pressing question of the moment. "I'm fine," you assured me. "You're golden." At this point, you reached into my passenger side window, and I, pandemic be damned, clasped your hand like a drowning man being pulled to a dock. We sat there frozen for a brief but pregnant moment, you dripping rain in the crosswalk, me holding your hand, giving it a final squeeze for good measure, saying one more time, "You good?" "All good," you assured me, and stumbled forth into the inky vagueness of the night. I drove the rest of the way home slow and tense, the sick hollow rawness of adrenaline crash. You're golden. Just 6 inches one way or another. You're golden. Our lives are such fragile things. You're golden. You've probably already forgotten. I'll probably never forget.